Okay, let's see the next lesson. The next lesson would be absolute value graphs. Absolute value, first of all, absolute value, what does absolute value mean? We know this definition of absolute value. Absolute value means absolute value is always the distance on number line from 0. The distance on number line from 0 means if this is 0, this is 5, this is minus 5. Distance from 0 to 5 is 5. Distance from 0 to negative 5 is 5. That's why absolute value is always positive, because it is distance. So absolute value is always positive. Absolute value of negative 5 is always 5. So let's see now the graph of first one is y equal to absolute value of x. It's a simple graph, but let's see the meaning of absolute value. If I say absolute value of x, this has two solutions. It can be x when x is greater than or equal to 0, or it can be negative x when x is less than 0. This is a very basic important concept even for first year university. So y equal to x, y equal to absolute value of x means x. So I have two graphs now, separate graphs. The first one would be when y equal to x, when x is greater than or equal to 0. Y equal to x is a line which is from the 0, 0, but only for x greater than 0. I don't go down here. This is the line y equal to x when x is greater than or equal to 0. The next one is y equal to negative x, but only for x less than 0. So therefore, okay, that's why absolute value is v. This is y equal to x. This is y equal to negative x. And this is only for less than 0, and this is for greater than 0. Okay, that's when it is a line. Okay, let's see for a parabola. Y equal to x squared minus 4. I would like to graph absolute value of this. So the first thing I do is, we know the graph of y equal to x squared minus 4. This is a parabola starting from minus 4 and then upping up. This is y equal to x squared minus 4. So when I have y equal to x squared minus 4 absolute value of that, what does it mean? So this is without absolute value. So if I have y equal to x squared minus 4 with absolute value, it means only the positive values. Only the positive values means I have this, but I cannot have this. What happens to this one here? This one goes from here, it flips, and it goes to, this is 4, it goes here, and this one flips up, it becomes upside down. Therefore this stays, this stays. So the absolute value graph will be only this one here, the green one only. So the graph of this will be Okay, so now this will be the graph of absolute value. There's a cusp here, it's not straight line. So this is the graph of absolute value. Okay, so let's understand. We said the graph of this only is only this. This is a graph of y equal to x squared minus 4. And this will be the graph of this. So let's understand absolute value. For y value, there is no negative value. They are all positive. Therefore, that's why we flip this, and the whole W shape will be absolute value graph. Okay, I hope you understood this one here. So that's for absolute values.